In this tutorial, I'll show you how to automate any strategy in TradingView. By the end, you'll have a Pine script strategy that sends structured webhook alerts to your broker or bot, so your trades can execute automatically based on your rules. First, open the Pine editor in TradingView. If you're on a chart, you'll see Pine editor at the bottom of the screen. Click it to open the code panel. Now create a strategy, not an indicator. At the top of your script, use strategy instead of indicator. This is required because only strategies can generate order events and pass alert data for automation. If you already have an indicator, convert it by replacing indicator with strategy, keeping your existing settings where appropriate. Next, define your buy and sell logic with actual strategy orders. Use strategy.entry open parenthesis quote, long quote, comma, finish strategy.long. To open long positions when your entry condition is true, and use strategy.close or long to close that position when your exit condition is true. Place these calls exactly where your entry and exit conditions evaluate, so they trigger only when you intend. For example, when your long signal is true, call strategy.entry open parenthesis quote, long quote, comma, strategy.long close parenthesis. When your exit signal is true, call strategy.close, open parenthesis quote, long quote, close parenthesis. Keep the order IDs consistent. The same ID ties entries and closes together. From here, add alert_message parameters directly inside your orders so you can pass specific JSON to your broker or bridging service. For example, in your entry, use something like strategy.entry, open parenthesis quote, long quote, comma, strategy.long comma. Alert_message equals quote, open brace, quote, action, quote, colon, quote, by quote, comma, quote, symbol, quote, colon, quote, BTCUSD, quote, close brace, quote, close parenthesis. The alert_message is a text field. So wrap the JSON in quotes and keep it valid. JSON with matched braces, quotes, and commas. Use meaningful fields your bot expects, such as action, symbol, quantity, or order_type. If your bot requires different field names, match them exactly, otherwise the request may be ignored. Once that's done, it's time to configure the alert. Click the Alert button in the top toolbar, or open it from within the strategy tester if you prefer. The alert dialog will appear over the chart. Now select your strategy as the condition. In the condition dropdown, choose the entry that references your strategy, so alerts are triggered by the strategy's orders rather than the chart or indicator values. This links the alert engine directly to the order events generated by your script. Next, open the Notifications tab and find the Webhook URL field. Paste the URL provided by your broker or bridging service such as Pine Connector, Wonder Trading, or Octobot. This is the endpoint that will receive your JSON and execute trades. Double-check the URL for extra spaces or missing characters to avoid failed requests. If your provider gives you a test URL or environment, use the correct one for your current setup. In the message box, enter the placeholders required by your bot. If your bot accepts the alert message straight from your strategy, use /strategy.order.alert_message. This placeholder forwards exactly what you set in the alert_message parameter inside your strategy.entry, or strategy.close, preserving your JSON structure. If your bot requires a different format or additional placeholders, follow those instructions here. But keep the message aligned with what your script sends to avoid mismatches. At this point, confirm each field is correct. Your strategy is selected as the condition, the webhook URL is pasted accurately, and the message includes the required placeholder. Then create the alert. From now on, when your strategy triggers strategy.entry or strategy.close, TradingView will send your JSON payload to the webhook, and your broker or bot can place or close orders automatically according to your rules. Your TradingView automation is now set up and working. When your strategy conditions are met, the alert will fire and your webhook will receive the JSON you defined, enabling hands-off execution. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.